Welcome to this session on device posture check configuration in Harmony SASE. My name is Lalas Hassan and I'm working as a technical trainer with Checkpoint. In this video, we'll explore what posture checks are, why they matter, and how to configure them for secure access. Let's look at the agenda. Here's what we'll cover in this session. First, an introduction to device posture checks. Next, we'll understand how posture check work and review best practices. Finally, we'll wrap up with a hands-on demo to configure and test posture checks in Harmony SASE. Let's start by understanding what a device posture check really means. A device posture check is a security mechanism that evaluates the health and configuration of a device before granting network access. It ensures endpoints meet predefined compliance rules, such as checking for a specific file, verifying antivirus status, or confirming the OS version. This is a key component of Zero Trust network access, helping prevent unauthorized or vulnerable devices from connecting to sensitive resources. It works across both managed and unmanaged devices, including BYOD scenarios. Now, why are posture checks so important for your security strategy? Posture checks strengthen your security posture by blocking access from compromised or outdated devices. They support zero trust principles, where trust is never assumed and every device must prove compliance. This is especially critical for remote work, as it validates endpoints across different locations and device types. It also reduces the risk of lateral movement by preventing infected devices from spreading threats inside the network and helps enforce compliance with regulatory standard. Next, let's see how posture checks actually work in Harmony SASE. The process starts with defining posture rules. This could include conditions like file existence, antivirus status, or OS version. Next, in the second step, you assign the posture check profile to a user group. When a user logs in, the Harmony SASE agent evaluates the device against these rules. If the device is compliant, access is granted. If not, access is denied or restricted. Administrator can view failure reasons in the portal and adjust policies as needed. This continuous validation ensures that only healthy devices stay connected. Before we move to the demo, let's review some best practices. You should run posture checks before connection and periodically, ideally every 20 minutes. For training, use simple and testable conditions like checking for a specific file, but in production scenario, it could be something like antivirus version or certain configurations. Apply rules across all relevant operating systems to cover your entire environment. Combine posture checks with identity provider integration for stronger security. Finally, preserve local user access for admin roles to avoid lockouts during troubleshooting. Now let's move to the hands-on demo where we will create a posture check profile, assign it to a group, and test compliance using the Harmony SASE agent. In this demo, we will configure a device posture check in Harmony SASE. Posture checks ensure that only compliant devices can access corporate resources. So I've already accessed my Harmony SASE portal here. From the SASE portal, we have to go to devices. On the left hand pane, we have devices and there we have posture check. Click on the posture check, and you could see the device posture check list with a couple of posters which had been already created. So here you have an option to add profile. So click on add profile, and we have to name. So you will get a screen which says add device posture check profile, and here we have to add a name for our profile. So in my case, I'm gonna create Lawless H-device posture check, and then we need to assign it to a group. So click and it will list all the groups available here, and I'm gonna select my group which I have created earlier. So yeah, I have a group here, Lawless H-group. Yeah, that's done. Now what we need to do is to add a Windows poster rule. So from the rules section, we have add OS to profile. Click on it and select Windows. So there you could see select and define rules. So where you can select a rule type, click and select file exist, which will check the existence of file, and we are going to provide a configuration file details here, this is just a simple condition for testing. So it will check if there is a configuration file under C folder, and once we select this, then we have to click on apply, and this will help us to create the poster profile, and you will get a notification as you saw just now on the screen. Now let's try to connect to the system where we have already installed Harmony SASE agent and try to log in order to verify the posture check configuration we have configured is working properly. So as you can see on the screen, I have connected to the Windows system where Harmony SASE agent is already installed. So let me try to open it by double clicking on the icon, and here I have an option to sign into private access. Click on it. Once I click on it, it will take me to the browser where it will ask me to enter my credentials. My credentials are already saved, so I just need to click on sign in. And at this screen, you should also make sure that you are selecting the correct workspace. You can change your workspace here. For the purpose of training, I've already entered it correctly with the correct workspace. So let me sign in now. Click on sign in, and it will take me to a screen where the Harmony SASE is launched. So it's checking, and if our configuration is correct, we should get a notification saying that posture check failed. So let's see what's happening. So it's taking some time. Yeah, we got it. So you can see a message saying here device posture check failed, and there is a failure cause. Your device is unable to access the network. So the notification will leave in shortly. So if you want to see it again, you can go here and then click on the Harmony SASE to read it again. Your device is unable to access the network in accordance with administrator directives. So for assistance, please contact your workspace administrator. So that's the complete message. But still, we don't know the reason why the device posture check is failing. That's only available through the admin portal. So if you want to really see the reason, we can go to the Harmony SASE admin portal, and at the same place where we have configured posture check, go to the devices, and there you have an option device inventory. Click on device inventory. You'll get a lot of information here, but what I'm looking for is the member name. So my details can be visible here with the correct device name. If you scroll towards the right side, you can see that the poster status is not healthy, and a security warning saying that required file missing. Add file C company_config.txt. So that's the condition we have configured. And we don't have that file in the system where Harmony SASE agent is running. That's the reason why the posture check is failing. So maybe in a real-time scenario, you would remediate the device. But in this case, I'm going to make a quick fix. I'll remove the posture check rule to see if I'm able to log in again. So we need to go to the posture check under devices again and then filter out for the rules. But I can see my rule is on the top here. And on the right hand side, we have a delete option. So just click on delete. We should get a message saying that the posture check profile has been successfully deleted. Now let's go back quickly to the Harmony SASE machine and try to log in again. This time it should allow us to log in and the posture check shouldn't restrict us from logging in. So let me click on sign in button again and wait. So it will take few seconds for the systems to come. Yeah, I think I'm good now because it's not throwing any notification saying that the posture check failed. So if you click it here, yeah, now you can, sorry, let me open it again for you. I'm gonna minimize this. Here, so you can see that secure internet access on and device posture check is inactive because there is no posture check enabled now and I'm able to log in. So that's all for this video. Thank you for listening.